Hello friends, now we are moving on how to use interfaces in Java. So what is an interface? An interface is a structure that holds abstract methods. In fact, it's like an abstract class. Let's define interface to calculate the area. So I'm outside the main and then I say interface, and then I will calculate the area. I don't need public. I will calculate the area. So interface acts like abstract class. So inside I define methods, but I don't write abstract at the beginning. I just write directly the method. So I will calculate the area. So my method name can be calculate area, and then it takes two parameters, integer short side and integer long side, So I define integer short and long. Alright, integer short side, and then I define integer long side. Alright, so let's define a class. I come here, I say class home. I implement the area interface. So I use implements keyword, and then let's implement area interface. I write area, and then I open my parentheses, my square brackets. Here what I need to do, I need to implement it. As you see, I got an error. The type home must implement the inherited abstract method in area that calculate area. As you see, that's an abstract method as I told you. So let's implement it. I come here, I use public keyword, and then I will reach outside the class. I say void, what's my method name, calculate area, and then it takes two parameters. I forgot to put semicolon here. So I copy these and then I paste here. Alright, so I open my curly braces. What I need to do, I need to calculate and print to the screen. So I come here, I say system.out.println, and then I will say the area of the room is this. I will calculate it right now. So I use plus operator for concatenating, and then I need to calculate it. I open my parentheses. So what I need to do, I need to multiply short side by the long side. That's all. So let's create an object using this class. So what's my class name? Home. So I'm in the main. I say home. I will calculate room 1 area. So I say room 1, and then I use new home. Alright, so I will call this function inside the class. So what's my object name? Room 1, and then I use dot notation, and then I say calculate area. You see it takes two more parameters, short side and long side. I say 4 and 5. 4 meters is my short side and 5 is my long side. Alright, so let's run my program by using Java main.java. As you see, the area of the room is 20. Alright, I hope you understand. It's easy, right? As I told you, it acts like an abstract class. So inside I define a method. It acts like abstract method here. Alright.